If your PC feels slow even when nothing is running, then your RAM cache might be full. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can free up your memory and instantly speed up your PC in under a minute. So let's begin right away. Now first you will need to install an application called RAMMap. This is designed by Microsoft itself. Simply open up your web browser and type in RAMMap without the spacebar. Now from the search results, open up RAMMap from Microsoft Learn. Here you will find the download option, so go ahead and click on it, and this will download the RAMMap zip file. You can open up the file once the download is completed, and then extract the installer. Then you can open up rammap.exe, and then agree with the terms and conditions. Now once the RAMMap application is opened up, let's open up the Task Manager as well to see our cached RAM. Right-click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager, and now go into Performance. Within Performance, click on Memory, and here you can see how much of your RAM is being allocated for cached memory. Let's go back into the RAMMap application and now just click on Empty Standby List. As soon as we do this, the cached memory will be cleared right away. After this, your computer will immediately begin to feel much more fast and snappy. You can keep the RAMMap application handy anytime you need to free up your RAM or anytime that you feel that your PC is working slower. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to free up your cached memory and immediately speed up your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.